Hello everyone, welcome to Archana's Teaching Hub. Today we are going to study one of the most important topics asked in UGC NET Paper 1 CET, UPSC, BPSC, KVS, NVS, CTET and many competitive exams. The topic is Millennium Development Goals MDGs
SDGs.
and Sustainable Development Goals.
Students,
Many exams ask direct questions like how many MDGs were there, in which year were SDGs adopted, what is Agenda 2030, what is the motto of SDGs, which goal is quality education. After today's class, you will never forget these answers. So let's begin. What are development goals? First, understand one simple question. What is a development goal? Development goals are targets or objectives made by the United Nations to improve the quality of life of people around the world. These goals focus on improving education, health, employment, environment, poverty, equality, peace. The United Nations wants every country to become socially, economically, and environmentally developed. For this purpose, it introduced two major programs. First, MDGs and second, SDGs. First, Millennium Development Goals. MDGs stand for Millennium Development Goals. The word millennium means beginning of a new thousand years. The United Nations introduced these goals when the new millennium started. When we were MDGs adopted, the MDGs were adopted in the year 2000. Remember this year carefully because many exams asked it. They were adopted at the Millennium Summit organized by the United Nations. How many goals? There were 8 goals. A very important fact. Always remember MDGs is 8 goals. Target year. The target year was 2015. This means countries had 15 years to achieve these goals. Period 2000 to 2015. Millennium Development Goals period. Main focus MDGs mainly focused on developing countries. Why? Because developing countries were facing problems like poverty, hunger, poor education, poor health care, high child mortality, disease. So the UN wants these countries to improve. 8 goals of MDGs. Now let's understand each goal one by one. Goal first, eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. No one should remain extremely poor. Everyone should have enough food. People should not sleep hungry. Second goal, achieve universal primary education. Means every child should complete primary education. No child should remain out of school. Education should be available to everyone. Now goal 3, promote gender equality and empower women. Means boys and girls should get equal opportunities. Women should receive equal education, jobs and respect. No discrimination. Goal 4, reduce child mortality. Mortality means death. The goal was to reduce death of a children under 5 years. Better healthcare was required. Goal 5, improve maternal health. Means mother. The goal focus on improving healthcare for pregnant women. Safe delivery, better nutrition, lower maternal death. Goal Goal 6, combat HIV and AIDS, malaria and other disease. Many countries suffered from dangerous disease. The UN want to reduce these diseases through medicines, vaccination, and awareness. Goal 7, ensure environmental sustainability. Protect forest, reduce pollution, save water, protect natural resources, promote sustainable development. Goal 8, develop a goal partnership for development. Countries should help each other, share technology, provide financial support, work together for a development. Why were MDGs replaced? Students, the MDGs achieved many success, but some important challenges remain. For example, climate change, economic inequality, clean energy, responsible consumption, peace and justice. These topics were not fully covered. Therefore, in 2015, the United Nations introduced a new and broader program called Sustainable Development Goals. Now, we will learn Sustainable Development Goals. SDGs stand for Sustainable Development Goals. These goals are much broader. They focus on economic, social, and environmental development together. Adopted year 2015. Remember, MDGs ended in 2015 and SDGs started in 2015. Total goals, there are 17 goals. This is one of the most asked exam questions. Target year 2030. Therefore, SDGs are also known as Agenda 2030. Motto: the official slogan is Leave No One Behind. Means development should benefit every person. Nobody should be excluded because of poverty, gender, disability, religions, race, country. Everyone deserves equal opportunity. Target countries, unlike MDGs, SDGs apply to every country, both developed countries and developing countries. 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Let's understand each goal in a simple language. Goal first, no poverty means end poverty everywhere. Goal second, zero hunger means no one should remain hungry, security for everyone. Goal third, good health and well-being. Healthy lives, better hospitals, medical care for all. Goal 4, quality education. Equal and quality education, lifelong learning opportunities. Goal 5, gender equality means equal rights for women and men. End discrimination. Goal 7, clean water and sanitation. Safe drinking water, proper sanitation and good hygiene. Goal 7, affordable and clean energy. Solar energy, wind energy, renewable energy, affordable electricity. Goal 8, decent work and economic growth means more employment, better working conditions, economic development. Goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure means better roads, technology, research and industrial growth. Goal 10, reduce inequalities. Reduce inequality between people and countries. Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities. Safe cities, clean cities and smart urban development. Goal Goal 12, responsible consumption and production means reduce waste, use resources wisely, recycle materials. Goal 13, climate action means fight climate change, reduce greenhouse gases, protect the environment. Goal 14, life below water, protect oceans, marine animals, coral reefs, reduce ocean pollution. Goal 15, life on land, protect forest, wildlife, biodiversity, prevent deforestation. Goal 16, peace, justice and strong institutions. Promote peace, provide justice, reduce corruption, strong governments. Goal 17 and last, partnerships for the goals. Countries should cooperate, share knowledge, financial support, technology sharing, global partnership. Students, MDGs lead the foundation for a global development by addressing basic issues such as poverty, education, health, and gender equality. Building on that success, the United Nations introduced the SDGs with a broader vision of creating a sustainable, inclusive, and prosperous world by 2030. If you remember these years, the number of goals and the motto and the major objectives, you can confidently answer almost every MCQs related to MDGs and SDGs in a competitive exams. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.